Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss a very important chapter, that is percentage. So let's see the question on percentage. Okay, the radius of circle is increased by 2%. Find the percentage increase in its area. So radius, suppose earlier it was 100, now it's changed to 100 to 2% increase, right? What is the net change of area? What is formula of circle? Pi r square, right? This is old, this is new, right? This is old, this is new one. You can simply find out, right? This is 100, pi get cancelled, 100 into 100, and here it will be 102 into 102. That comes out to be, this comes out to be 10404. This comes out to be 10000. So how much is the change? 404, right? And with reference to what? Earlier one. So you have to simply divide 404 divided by 10,000. Okay, you will get the percentage when you multiply it by 100. After doing this, you will get the percentage change, that is 4.04%. Simple. Okay, here is a question. The population of a town increases 5% annually. If the present population is 84,000, what will be the population after 2 years? So it simply means that today the population is 84,000. They ask you 2 years ahead. Okay, 2 years ahead they ask you the population of the town. So for this you have to simply apply simple compound interest formula, that is P 1 plus R by 100 raised to n. So here you can apply this. Your present population, you know, 84,000. You can apply now simply this thing. And number of years, you know that after 2 years they ask you. The rate of increase is how much? 5%. So simply you have to put the values. You will get the population of the town. So 8400 1 plus rate of interest is 5%, right? So 5 by 100 raised to, for how many years? 2 years they ask, right? So after solving this, you will get to know this is 21 by 20 into 21 by 20. After solving this, you will come to know about the population of the village after 2 years. Okay, so this comes out to be 92610. Okay, this will be the population of village after 2 years.
So here is another question, that the population of town increases at 5% per annum. Okay. If the present population is 4410, what it was 2 years back. So they are asking that what was the population of that village 2 years back. Okay. So you know the current population, that is 4410. Let's assume 2 years back the population of the village was X. Okay, and it was increased by 5% for the first year, and for the next year it was again increased by 5%, right? So every year it was increased by 5%. So I told you that every person is 100% itself. If there is an increase, then you have to add. If there is a subtraction or there is a loss, then you have to minus. So 100 plus 5 will be 105%. So the value of the actual increase will be 105%, right? 100 plus 5. So the value was X of the village. For first year, it was increased by 5%. That means 105 by 00. And in another year, it was again increased for the second year. So the similar 5%, there was an increment for both the year 5%. So this is for second year. This is for first year. There was increase. And this is was for second year, right? And this comes out to be this much. So you can now simply divide this thing by 5. This comes in 5 table. So x into this comes out to be 21. This comes out to be 20. This comes out to be 21. because 5 into 21, 105, and below it comes out to be 20, and this is equivalent to 4410. Now you can simply solve this. Yes, you can solve this. You have to multiply 4410 by 20 into 20, and then you have to divide it by 21 and 21. So x will be 4410 into 20 into 20 upon 21 by 21. After you solve this entire calculation, okay, after cutting and all those and applying calculation part, the answer that comes out to be is 4000. So the value or the population of village 2 years back was how much? 4000. And for next 2 years it was increased by 5%. So if you take here 4000 and multiply it by 105, this will comes out to be this. Okay, so here is a question. The population of town is this much, okay, 1,44,000. It increased by 5% during the first year. During the second year, it was decreased by 10% and increased by 15% during the third year. What is the population after 3 years? They are asking, okay. So every year, first year it was increased by 5%. Second year, there was decrease of 10%, and third year there was again an increase of 15%. So they are asking what will be the population after 3 years. Okay, so you know that initially the population of that village is how much? 144,000, and it was increased by 5% in the first year. So first year you can take 100%. Every person is 100%, right? There is an increase of 5%, so increase means you will add 5. So this will be 105%, right? So 105% means what? 105 by 100, right? So you can simply multiply it 105 by 100. This will be for first year because there is an increase of 5%. The next year, what is happening? There is a decrease of 10%, right? So 100 is every percent. There is decrease, so minus 10. This will comes out to be 90%. Okay, so you can write 90%, that is 90 by 100. Okay, and third year there is again an increase of 15%. So 100 plus 15, that is equivalent to 115, right? So 115%, that is 115 by 100. Okay, so after applying these changes, that is for first year, that is for second year and third year, the population that comes out to be after this calculation will be the net population. Okay, so 144 this, so you can simply divide it with various number, means with 5 you can divide it. So this comes out to be 21, this comes out to be 20 if you divide by 5, right? 5 20 is a 100 and 521 is a 105. After dividing it with, you can simply divide 0 0, so this comes out to be 9 by 10. So keep it as a 9 by 10, and after dividing it by 5, this comes out to be 23, this comes out to be 20. So this will, the total equation will now become, after cutting those numbers which can cut, 21 by 20 into 9 by 10 into 23 by 20, right? So after applying this, you will come to know the population of the village after 3 years. Then there is a decrease, increase, and rest of the things that are going to be happen. Okay, so you can solve this question. So after applying these changes, the answers comes to be 156,492. So this will be the population of the village after 3 years. Okay, and there is an increase of 5%, there is a decrease of 10%, and there is a again increase of 15% in third year. So this will be your population. Okay, 156,492. So here is a question that in an examination, a student must get 60% marks to pass. A student who get 120 marks fail by 60 marks. Find the maximum marks. Okay. So in this type of question, you have to make a line generally in order to understand. Okay. And in examination also try to make a line which will make things very simple to understand and to solve. Okay. So if you score 60%, so write down somewhere here 60%, you will pass the exam. If a student who get 120 marks, okay, so somewhere 120 marks, he fails by how much? 60 marks. So the distance between this and this is passing percentage is 60 marks. So if he scored more 60 marks, then he would have passed the examination. Find the maximum marks of the examination. So you know that 120 marks a student scored. If he scored more 60 marks, he would have passed the examination, means he would have scored 60% marks. So this 180 marks is equal to how much? This is equal to 60%, right? So from here you can find the value of 1%. Yes, you can find out, you can divide it by this, right? 180% is equivalent to 60. So 180 180 marks is equivalent to 60%, right? So if you divide by 60, this become 1%, right? You divide by 60 and this also 60. So this become 3 marks and this become 1%. So you will come to know that 3 marks is equivalent to 1%, right? So they ask you what is the maximum marks. So maximum marks is how much? 100%. So to make 1% as 100, you have to multiply it by 100. Similarly, if you multiply it by 100, you also need to multiply this also by 100. So this comes out to be how much? 300 marks, and the value of it is 100%, right? So the maximum marks of the examination is how much? 300 marks. So the answer of this is 300 marks is the maximum marks in the examination. Okay. So this how you need to solve this question. Thank you.